Learn English online with bowlessons.com, created for you, inspired by you. In this video, we will learn some very important words or some terms related to food, which will help us understand food related conversation. We will also have a look at some commonly used questions related to food. So let's get started. Sandwich, bagel, bacon, burger, chicken, chips, crisp, cucumber, eggs, fish, fruits, lasagna, lettuce, meat, muffin, pasta, pizza, rice, soup, tomato. What do you have for lunch during the week? Where do you have it? Who do you have it with? What are your favorite restaurants to go for lunch? Do you ever take a packed lunch? What do you take with you? What do you have for lunch at the weekend? Do you cook for lunch? What do you make? I hope you enjoyed this video. Like it if you enjoyed it. Use the comment section if you have any questions related to this video. Share this video with others who need this. And in the end, don't forget to subscribe to our channel in order to get more videos like this. Thank you.